We got 3 easy tips to keep your shower door looking cleaner coming up. I'm Chris, the Glass Guy, and on this channel we'll be talking about tips, tricks, and information on shower doors, windows, mirrors, and other topics to keep your house looking great. If you got any shower cleaning tips of your own, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Now to the video. Tip number 1, clean your shower on a regular basis. When I go to a client's house and I see a dirty shower door, it's usually followed up with, I haven't kept to my cleaning schedule, I haven't cleaned my shower door in a few weeks. Typically once a week cleaning will make your cleaning time less because there'll be less dirt, debris, and soap scum on your glass, as well as it will keep your shower cleaner longer. Tip number 2, buff your shower with a microfiber cloth after you're done cleaning. You can also use a paper towel, but I find that a microfiber cloth works a lot better. Buffing your shower with a microfiber cloth or a dry paper towel after you cleaning will help remove any streaks afterwards. It'll also help you catch spots that you missed. And the third and probably the most important tip today is squeegee your shower on a daily basis. If multiple people are going to use the shower, not everyone has to squeegee, but the last person that showers in that shower should squeegee the glass and get all the excess water off. This will help prevent water staining, it'll help remove soap scum, it'll help your shower look cleaner longer. And that's probably the best tip that I can give you to help keep your shower looking cleaner. We hope you found these 3 tips valuable. We hope you consider subscribing and turning on your notifications so you get all of our latest videos. We'll see you in the next video.